member yang kenal bukan dia memang.
Yang ini dia ni buat kajian untuk ni apa dia?
Tembula
Laut apa kan. Udang banyak juga lah ni ada.
In Europe, all the now the high technology, they use all equipment, but we are still using manual. We drag the net up, catch the prawns. This one we catch crab. This one crab. This type we catch crab. This one we catch fish. How to catch fish? This one. I came from a fisherman family, from my grandfather, father, and to me. I'm the third generation.
Why do you like this job?
There's a lot of freedom. If you like, you go. If you think you are so tired or what, lazy, you stay at home. But it's a very good job as a fisherman. When we go out to the sea, we feel relaxed, nothing to think of. Here is the place where the fish come and lay egg, and because this area is a lot of plankton, that's why fish and prawns all.
And what will happen to that when they build this project?
Maybe they will go to other places.
I'm here on the south, the far south of Penang Island, because there's this massive land reclamation project that is going to happen. Right there. Right out there, they're turning this whole area into a new development. They're going to come reclaim the land and build buildings on it and all this. It's called the South Penang Reclamation Project. How surprised were you when they first told you about this project? When you first found out about it?
We are not surprised. We are shocked about that. What a sudden we are to make silent. It not bring anything to the people in this area. Only the state government going to earn a lot. We the villagers is not going to get anything. They will take the material from the other country and dump that to build an island. That means we don't know what is the material come from, whether from Indonesia or from where. The soil type is not suitable for the fish or suitable. If the place is still like now, every day we can go and fish there and get some everyday money, can get money. If they make an island there, difficult for the fishermen. We, the fishermen, will still go out to catch fish. Every human being need to eat. Yeah, if the fishermen didn't go to the sea, then what are they going to eat?
What are you going to do?
What going to do? We have to pray. Hoping God will stop all this project.
Penang has this obsession of wanting to become like Hong Kong and Singapore. So they always say that, oh, we want to become like Singapore, why are you and so anti-development?
A hidden paradise for the fishermen. No one knows there is a fishing unit here again. Right. So when no one knows about them, no one cares about them. Being a fisherman again, it's not a career, it's a lifestyle. It's an identity for the Tanjong Tokong people here.
Eat
Bread?
the bread, that in the sand, then you cash out. My hobby is my father before also catch fish. Now turun lah, down to the son, down to the grandson. Now my grandson all go for fishing also. When I was child, many fish before many fish. We go out, we can get the crab. The crab we cannot go by, before we catch by the lake, the crab, you know. Just walk like that, we feel the crab, put like that, then we take the crab up. Before we catch. Now no more. Start the project, come out, everything out.
And this is just an example of the type of projects that are being built on reclaimed land here. These are not really projects for the Lao Baixing, the common people, right? These are projects for, you know, the emerging middle class, the upper class, for foreigners, tourists.
The access of the common people to purchase a property in Penang is totally out of reach. And you may build so much buildings here, but at the end it does not belong to us and bought up by other people and foreigners.
The project, they go up, they're selling millions of dollars. We cannot afford to buy. We can have a see. We can see only. We cannot afford to buy.
Orang tahu kita orang cari makan pun macam 15 hari ni macam
15 hari ya.
Ha,
Tengok. This is all the damage.
ini ah. Ni pasiak main tempat.
Apa awak tengok?
Pasiak main tempat semua jadi selut. Ha, ni crabnya.
Oh, cuti lagi.
Ha, tengok ketam pun boleh mati. Tengok. Ketam pun boleh mati. Semua masuk selut semua.
What he's saying right now is that that used to be sand now becomes mud and become hard mud. This is what damaged all the nets, and you can prove that even crabs die.
Semua mati habis.
The mud from project where they dig actually suffocates all the crabs, and right now the fishermen are catching crabs. By the time when they pull it out, all die.
Selut tengok.
The crabs need such pure sand.
Ketam dia
But what
duduk ni macam
happens is that
dia tak
over
duduk
there
selut.
it's all mud and they suffocate.
Dia main tapak sudah jadi selut.
The net's damage is not cheap. It's about 300 ringgit. The nets, and how many?
40.
40 nets. 40 times 300.
So he had 40 nets ruined.
14 nets ruined.
Mau potong balik semua, tak boleh pakai. Ini net pun tak boleh kena ketam dia. Dia sudah jadi selut.
Yeah.
Dia tak boleh kena ketam dia. Crab tak boleh kenam dia.
This one only you get.
How many crabs did they catch
They catch
before the development? How many would they
before
catch?
development, they can catch 10, 20 kilos. 10, 20 kilos every day. They can catch 7 kilo, 8 kilo, 9 kilo, sometimes 30, 40 kilos before the project. You go and catch, come back, nothing. Get $10, $20. Cut the petrol. Now today you get $70. Cut the petrol around $60. The balance $10. What do you want to do? $10. Makeup ni? Hari ni dapat ni.
Ini semua ini.
Today they catch all this. Today.
So, how many did they used to catch before the development? How full would this be?
Full this. Before project. Around 50, 60 crab. The king crab.
And now it's almost empty.
It's so ironic because you have a development that making people losing their jobs. Look at the fishermen today. You have reclamation that promise development, but you have the fishermen now looking for, losing their livelihood, looking for a second job, looking for alternative. I think interest in the fishermen because I think they are the most neglected people in Penang. They're pretty much voiceless, and in the progress of development today, they do not have a voice in how they want Penang to be. I think it's important to highlight their suffering and their voice in Penang. Look, considering that Penang is rapidly developing, you have the fishermen who are falling behind. I'm not saying that we should not develop, but I guess that we need to think of more of an inclusive development that really include all walks of life, all kinds of people. You see, we have a chance to be different, and I think we should avoid modeling after other states and countries. I think we should stop saying that Penang wants to become like Hong Kong or New York or Singapore. I think Penang had a chance to become something different and something much better. Why not we plan towards that? Yeah, just be Penang, isn't it?